Yeah, there you go. Oh, we see a crocodile farm here. Crocodile, come here, crocodile. I'm shooting a YouTube video. Show me moving. Okay. Oh, that one's mouth is open. Come on, moving here. Yeah, let me go here. Let me go here. Maybe here. There you go. Yeah. Not good. Come on, crocodile. Oh yeah, let me show the other side here. A lot of crocodile, but they're not moving. These crocodiles are lazy. Yeah, this one is lazy too. Come on.
Very lazy crocodiles.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
Do that. Oh, this is the one. Oh, they're coming closer.
Yeah, because the big one in here. Can move this way. Move this
Yeah,
way.
move this
Later
way.
we will make one round. Because
Yeah, well.
make more after that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's do that.
Still have more.
More here, yeah.
In here.
More
In
here.
there. In there. There are many places in the crocodile.
Oh, these are the baby ones, yeah.
Yes.
Small, huh?
One here.
Oh, yeah, there you
Moving here.
Yeah.
You are lazy.
They only move if there's something to eat, but there's nothing to eat. Yeah. So when is feeding time?
Normally in the morning. Early in the morning.
Ah, sheesh. I missed that. So. Feeding time. Go here. They're already full, you know. Stomachs are full. Maybe a couple here. Yeah, not too much. Find something here. Nothing here. Come on, crocodile. Do something. Oh, this one. The mouth is open. Mouth is open, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
One climb up.
Oh, there.
Try to climb.
Yeah, there. That one. Go here. So normally they don't move, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, that one, yeah. Far away, yeah. Let me take a picture of that one.
No, later we will come there later.
Oh really? Okay.
We make one round. We walk one round.
One round, yeah.
Here, don't say some more.
Some more here.
Smaller one. Underneath there.
Oh.
The big one, this one not the real
That's
one.
fake, yeah. This is the fake one. Yeah, obviously. Otherwise we'll be in trouble. That one's big, you know.
Those very big one, those are in the water there.
Oh yes. It's a big one, really. It's too bad all these fences are getting in the way.
Now when they to the other side, they better for you.
Okay, let's go there. They're not this big, eh?
Because later, if you do like this way, you can put your camera in.
Oh yeah, yes. Later in, eh? I walk around here. Crocodile farm. Oh yeah. Not this one. Yeah, that one, yeah. We go there. Yeah.
Slippery.
Yeah, slippery, yeah. Go in.
Even bigger in here.
Oh, yes. This is the biggest.
Yes. You can put your camera.
Really big, yeah. Yeah. Move, you lazy crocodiles.
One very close to here.
Oh, yeah, this one. Oh, this one is hiding. He wants to eat me, this one. Move. No, it doesn't want to move.
They're lazy.
Yeah, that one.
They want to rest.
Differ. I wish I had the rock.
Oh wow, you can see because of the water. They put the water in, You see the water in.
I wish I can, yeah, I had the rock here.
This is the big
Yeah. Oh yes, this is the biggest.
Here,
Uh.
here. They're moving there.
Moving, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
They put one hand in here. Like this.
Yeah, like that, yeah.
Yes.
Like that, there you go, better. Much better. Come here, eat me. They're not gonna fall for that. Eat me. Yeah, forget it. We go to this one. This is the biggest, huh? The biggest one is here. Wow. Yeah, look at that. I go here. The biggest of crocodiles here. Okay. What else? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one is also a crocodile. Move. Okay, move. I don't see anyone here. Moving now.
Like statue.
Yeah, they don't like to move. Yeah, baby. Maybe because they're full, you know. Yeah, they're already full. They're not hungry. Come on, move, okay? Where? Yeah?
Yeah, they're moving.
Which one? Oh, yeah. That one, yeah. I'll do that, yeah. Moving, yeah. Oh, now they're showing off. Okay, now they're showing.
No.
I'm making a YouTube video. Move so we can shoot you in the video. Oh, no, they're not.
Movie star.
You become a movie star. Crocodile Dundee, okay?
One more.
Oh, yeah, this one. This one is big, hiding underwater.
No, there.
Oh, there, yeah. Yeah, there. Yes, that one. Moving slowly. He wants to surprise me, eh?
One more.
Yeah.
Get away, moment they can move. They will move.
Yeah, I think.
We're under the water now. Yeah, diving.
Yeah, I think we're done. Nothing. We're not gonna get in unless I can throw some rock, you know. Yeah, throw a rock here. Yeah, nothing. No action. No, would be nice if they were feeding. Yeah.
The other side. Back there. See. Far away up there.
Oh, far away. Yeah.
Yeah, I see.
Far away, I see. Oh, this one is big. That's hiding there.
Yeah.
This one is big. It's really hiding.
They stay in the water in a while, and then they will coming up.
Okay.